Guys, don't mind the roof. It's not our house. And if you see, do you know why I have two Ds?
The petitioners in this case, all are minors, but they are duly represented by their respective parents and also the Philippine Ecological Network.
Because I'll tell you the story in 1, 2, 3, go. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Sunny, and she had two extra teeth. She never knew she could take them off until this day happened. It all started from the start, when she was first born. Well, when I was born, I had extra teeth, which made me incapable of eating. It all started a couple weeks ago, and and I hope you guys congratulate me in the comments because it's my first time
So, according to the defendant,
to be pangag.
petitioners are not,
Sunny, they don't know what's
they
pangag.
are not
Pangag is like the key that. Oh yeah. Pangag is
right to find
I can show you guys an example. And I found that one. Yeah, like these. I don't know the English. Yeah, pangag is
So, have you heard the term cause of action?
tita flew to heaven. Please congratulate me in the comments, guys. Pretty, please. I'm really happy that I lost that tooth.
Unsa may punto sa petitioner
She even lost
na
teeth.
natuloy cause of action.
But my parents couldn't even take it off themselves. They said dentist was supposed to take the extra tooth off, and I accidentally took off my real tooth.
Violate daw na sa defendant tungod kay nag-issue ang defendant o timber license agreement nga na upaw na ato ang
Ko ay itong ngipon.
so but according